Hi friends! In this video, we will learn names of different types of birds and their funny facts of them.
Let's start. What is it? It's a rooster. Rooster. Rooster is an adult male chicken. Roosters have beautiful plumage and fancy brightly colored feathers on head. What is that? It's a hen. Hen. Hen is an adult female chicken. What is it? It is an eagle. Eagle.
Eagle eat meat and fly very well. They kill with their feet.
Who is that? It's falcon. Falcon.
Falcon? Falcons hunt for prey, which include reptiles, rodents, insects, smaller types of birds.
It looks very cute. It's a penguin. Penguin.
Penguin. A penguin is a flightless bird specially adapted to a marine lifestyle. They are excellent swimmers.
They look very beautiful. They are flamingo. Flamingo.
Flamingo. Flamingos are very beautiful with pink color. They are social and noisy birds.
What is it? It is a woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Woodpeckers are usually black, red, yellow, and white. All woodpeckers are known to use their sharp beaks to knock into the wood to find prey, make nests, and communicate. They can peck 20 times per second.
What is it? It is an ostrich. Ostrich.
Ostrich. They can't fly, but they have the largest eyes and lay the biggest eggs of any type of bird.
Wow, it's so beautiful. What its name? It's peacock. Peacock. Male peacocks have long, colorful feathers. Most of time, the feathers trail behind them. When the birds want to attract attention, the feathers are raised to form an impressive display. It's duck.
Ducks are water birds. They are small, with short necks, waterproof feathers, and webbed feet.
It looked like duck, but it's goose.
Goose. Geese are smaller than swans, but larger than ducks.
It looks like duck, but its name is swan. Swan.
Swan. Swans are the largest flying birds.
Who? Its name is seagull. Seagull.
Seagull. They feed on marine and freshwater lakes fishes. They also drink the sea and salt water.
What is that? It's pigeon. Pigeon. There are over 300 species of pigeons found throughout the world. Scientifically speaking, pigeons and doves are interchangeable. Dove is frequently called the rock dove and is the bird portrayed and called the dove of peace. It's quite strange. What name is it? It's pelican. Pelican.
Pelican. Pelicans are large, water-loving birds. They are most known for the pouch beneath their beak, which is used to capture prey and drain water.
They look colorful. What are they? They are parrots. Parrot.
Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds.
It looks weird. What is it? It's kiwi. Kiwi.
Kiwis are unique species that you can only find in the area of New Zealand and Australia. It is the New Zealand national bird.
It's scary. What is that? That is vulture. Vulture.
Vultures love to feast on the bodies of dead animals. They have a great sense of smell, so they can sniff out their next meal.
What is this? This is a swallow. Swallow.
Swallow. They migrate to different places in the world.
They have a short bill, long pointed wings, and often a deeply forked tail. and that feed on insects caught on the wing. It looks attractive. It's crane. Crane.
Crane. Cranes are tall birds with long legs, slender bodies, and large rounded wings, and all can fly.
Who is this? This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher.
Kingfisher. Kingfishers are brightly colored birds. Kingfisher has a large head, sharp, long, and pointed bills, with short legs and stubby tails. They love to live near rivers to eat fish.
It's so tiny. It's sparrow. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small gray-brown bird that is especially common in towns. It's singing, what's its name? It's nightingale. Nightingale. Nightingale is a small bird best known for its powerful and beautiful song.
Wow. It's cuckoo.
Cuckoo. They love to live in leafy trees and forests.
What is it? It's partridge. Partridge. Partridge is a bird with a round body and a short tail that is sometimes hunted for food or for sport. It's black. What is that? It's crow. Crows are black birds known for their intelligence and adaptability. There are about 40 species of crow around the world.
What is it? It's owl. Owl.
Owl. Most owls have a distinct and similar physical appearance.
What is that? It's turkey. Turkey is a large bird. Turkey is often eaten at holiday occasions such as Christmas and Thanksgiving. It's beautiful. What's its name? It's spoonbill. Spoonbills are large birds. They have long legs and neck, long broad wings, short tail, and a long spoon-shaped bill. Most spoonbill species have white plumage. However, the roseate spoonbill has pink feathers. It's a stork. Stork.
Stork. Storks are birds that are rumored to carry babies to their mothers. They live in flocks and eat during the day on a diet of fish, small creatures.
What is that? It's ibis. Ibis.
Ibis. Ibises live in wetlands, forests, and plains in warm regions, feeding on fish. They have thin bodies, long necks, and extended pointed beaks, and vary from brown to white depending on the species.
What is that? That is a toucan. Toucan.
Toucan. The toucan is one of the beautiful beast birds. Their bodies are short, its wings are small, and the neck is thick and short.
It seems funny. What is it? It is puffin. Puffin.
Puffin. Puffins, the cutest bird, are not just
features in the crest, cheeks or tail.